Good morning, folks. Well, it's morning time here on Siargao Island. It is a beautiful sunny morning up here in Dapa. Look, is at the PNB Bank, right? Seems like we're always at the PNB Bank, right? It's because sometimes when we go, we can't get done what we got to get done. But I'm just gonna roam around here. I always like just roaming around. This place is pretty cool. I've been in here before. Things that they make, it's all handcraft. Hello! It's all hand bamboo. This is bamboo. It's pretty cool looking in here. What is this, all bamboo or what is this? Yoipko. Where does that come from? Cebu?
Davao.
Davao, okay. Yeah, really nice. This is ironwood, right? Ironwood?
Sopaan magpuno.
I don't know what that means. Language barrier, right? But I just think this is a cool little store here. Look at these dudes. See, I need to get a selfie here. Yeah, me and the two ladies here. It's my two dates. Yeah. There was a gentleman in here when we were in here before. I think he was the owner. He really let me know what was going on. But beautiful stuff. I mean, look at that. Nice table, nice big chairs. Some hats. You want some hats. There's wind chimes. These mats. I get these mats here. They lay them on the floor. They sleep on these. Hammock, you want a hammock, a hat. But anyways, I'm just gonna roam around here, see what interests me. This NMAX version 1. I just stopped and talked to this gentleman here. He's got that hooked up really nice, huh? I like that. Looks like he's got the eyes in the front and the mouth. What is that, like a shark? What is that? Dragon? Is that a dragon look? I like how the lights come through here. Got his shield here. Yeah, I like that little cage right there. And the police is here. Hey, good morning, sir. All right. Well, that's really nice. I like that. Pegs here. Yeah. All right, my friend. Thank you. I always check out NMAXs. NMAX, to me, perfect bike for a guy like me, my size, 5'10", under 200 pounds. It's great for me. It's great for my passenger. Look, riding down the road. Another one right here. Or is that an Aerox? Could be an Aerox. Great bike. Highly recommend it. 2019 Mayan version 1. When they first started putting them over here in the Philippines, and oil change, never had a major problem with it. Still running strong today. We're down here. Check this out. This auditorium here. That's new. They hold events and stuff in there. We just had breakfast at the restaurant over there. Now they got the basketball game going on. The NBA game. I wonder how they're streaming that. I like to know how, because it's a nice stream. Let me go over and check it out. All right, let me show you this real quick. I don't want to get a copyright claim, but check it out.
Great execution.
That's pretty nice, huh? This is all part of the public to come and hang out and watch NBA games. It's like Filipinos love their basketball, right? Every barangay you go to, there's always like a court outside somewhere where they play. They love their basketball. I mean, sometimes the courts are nicer than some of the houses. But this is the building here in Dapa. This is like the basketball court, and I've been in there. It's closed right now, but boy, is it beautiful. Nice wooden floor, glass backboards, seating for a bunch of people in there. Hello, good morning. How are you? Hey, what's on your nose? Oh, there's a pimple patch. Bing Bing. Bing Bing was wearing that one day, and I'm like, what do you got on your nose? She said, it's a pimple patch. All right, interesting. But yeah, they do. I'm just gonna roam. I do not feel unsafe here. One thing about here, I just don't. And everybody's friendly. I'm just gonna roam down through here and kind of show you this little area here. Sorry stores. They're just everywhere. You turn everywhere you look. There's a little area here for the local people to sit around and gather and talk and hang out. Hello. But this seems to be sorry row down through here. Pick and choose. Hello. Hello, kids. What's this crazy foreigner doing down here? Yeah, sorry road. Hello. Of course, once again, I'm just a foreigner here. I'm a tourist just walking around. The beautiful plants through here. Very nice. You know, hello. They do take pride in their house and their appearance. That's one thing. A little calendaria here. This is really nice. Calendaria here. Hello, good morning. Hello, Auntie. Very nice. Look at that food, huh? Calendaria. Juicy eggs, fish, noodles, vegetables. Nice here. Very nice. What's your name?
Hello, I'm Karen.
Karen, nice to meet you, Karen. Is this your store?
Yes, sir.
Is this family store?
Yes, sir.
How many years?
For almost 15 years.
15 years.
Yeah.
Cool. Nice bananas. Magkano for a banana?
10.
10 pesos.
Yeah.
I think I'm going to get me a banana. All right, got me my banana. Where am I at here? I think I'm near the school. Which way do I want to go? Let's go this way. See what's going on. School is out. School will be starting here in a couple more weeks. They're trying to get back on the schedule that they were on during COVID. They were on a schedule to where school was letting out right as summer was starting. And after COVID, the timing and all that got messed up, and kids were going to school in the heat of the summer, and it was just unbearable. So now they're going to be getting it back on the regular schedule. So yeah, school will be starting soon. Now this isn't school. School's, I think, one block over. Little ukay store right there. I have bought from ukay. It's like going to a thrift store, right? That's all it is. Secondhand clothes. And I bought good clothes too. Name brand clothes. But you gotta watch. Make sure there are no stains on them. And even if there is a stain, no big deal. What you got there, man?
Hi.
Hello. I was like a kid had a net or something. Oh, this is a school to the right. Yeah, this is cool. That's where Bing Bing goes, Ling Ling goes, Nini goes, Batu will go there. It is always busy through here. Especially during school, it's busy. You can see what they have. They have printing screens, scans, everything that deals with school and what the students would need, for projects. Lamination. Sorry store. These little sorry store here, they do real good with school. Anytime you're by a school and you're selling food, you're going to do okay. That building is abandoned. Mobile Senior Citizen Building. It's abandoned. Nothing going on in there. You always got to look at the construction sites because a lot of times it'll put down what they're going to build here, what a proposal is. Multi-proposal building for senior citizen building. Either they started, they didn't finish it, I don't know. But Mayor Abeth, she retained her throne here as mayor. Thank God, finally the elections is over. Liz probably waiting for me. I don't even have my phone on me. I just said I'm gonna walk. Hello, my friend. What am I filming on? People always ask, hey, which way do I want to go to where I don't get a big stink foot? And I go this way. I don't get a stink foot. People always ask me, hey, Philly, what are you filming on? The quality is good. The coloring is good. The sound is good. I am filming with the DJI Action 4, the best action camera on the market, period. Price-wise, good quality price, or good price, cheaper than a GoPro. The functions, the features are just like a GoPro. However, you don't have the overheating issue. You got a front screen so you can see what you're doing. You got a rear screen, you can see what you're doing. And like I said, pound for pound, the best action camera out there. And I have had many action cameras. And I've done a lot. Scuba diving, hiking, moto vlogs, you name it, you've seen it, I've done it. DJI Action, the best action camera out there. In my opinion. In my honest opinion. Oh, hey, how are you, my friend? All right. I don't see a lot. Maybe she withdrew money. She may be sending money because we have to send money up to Hannah Grace's Guardians up in Angeles to get her registered back in school. Her books are not free. Her schooling is free. I've got some shirts here, some shorts here. Hey, my friend. All right. Cheap. I have no problem wearing that. I don't need to have mall clothes. You know what I mean? But yeah. iPhones, Siargao, cell phone repair. But you got everything here. Everything you need. Yes, there is no mall, but can you live without a mall? What's that? Oh, they do signs. I seen that 7-Eleven. I'm like, no, there's no 7-Eleven here. But they do building signs here. We shall just roam. What's that song by Metallica? Wherever I may roam. Down, 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 down. Down, 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 down. This is where we, hey, my friend, how are you? All right. This is where we bought our refrigerator, right in here. Right in here. They sell motorcycles in there. Another little sorry, sir. Hey, puppy. There's always usually a dog up here walking around, but I don't see it. And it's not that one right there. Look at her shoes. They're like Converse. It says Converse on her shoes. We're just gonna walk the block. Bought chicken food in there for old Twinkles. One old Twinkles was up and kicking, God rest his soul. We'll just loop around here, guys. Morning. I should be saying mein Buntag, huh? Barber shop. Morning, sir. Mein Buntag. Got a chicken in a cage. And here we are at Miss Crispy's. Miss Crispy and Crispy King. Oh, Crispy King is closed today. Remember, that's a Gino's and Pat's steakhouse, but I call it, you know, the chicken place. Which is better? Crispy King or Miss Crispy? Sort of like Gino's and Pat's. Even Miss Crispy's closed. Maybe they open later on. I may be here too early, but I can't see them being closed during the week. Very popular place. Unless they're out of Manok. Nah, they're working. They're working. There's a chicken. Hey, what time they open? What time? What time they open? What time you open today? 11? 11 o'clock. You open at 11. Okay. All right, thank you. I knew they weren't closed. They just had hours. Motorcycle shop here. I stopped there for parts for the trike, but they didn't have any. And you got KNC Lechon Manok here on the left. There's a little bakery right here. Hello. Good morning, mein Buntag. Little bakery. There's so many little bakeries all over the place. And it's weird because they like all bake the same thing. You know what I mean? And for some reason they don't have like good donuts. And there is no Dunkin' Donuts here, Krispy Kreme donuts here. There is none of that. So anyways, I just kind of did a loop around. Show you the area. Oops, sorry. Now I gotta find, there's my friend right here. So I'm gonna go in and say hello to my friend. My friend! All right. Hey guys, if you want some nice t-shirts and nice shorts and nice shoes, come check out my friend right here. What's the name of the place?
Standby Clothing.
Standby
Clothing.
Loading.
Yes.
Standby Loading is the name of the store.
Yes.
Standby Loading. I got everything. He'll give you some good deals too, right?
Yes.
Yeah, they got it all. Perfume, lipstick, watches, shorts. You see it. They got it all. Hi, my friend. Sunglasses is where I got my yellow sunglasses right here. But there it is. Here's my little walk around this morning. I got to now go find Lut. I'm sure she's here somewhere. Maybe spending money. I don't think she's been in the bank that long. Bank didn't appear to be that full. So hello, friend. All right. Didn't appear to be that full this morning. Hello. So let's go find her. And once again, thank you for viewing. Thank you for hanging out with me, sharing my life with you guys. What I do, where I go. There she is. She don't look too happy. She don't look too happy.
Hi.
Hello. How are you? How are you? You been waiting long? No. Everything good in the bank?
Actually, I am VIP down in the
Oh, you're VIP now.
Yeah,
Wow.
that one, why I'm-
Can't beat that, huh? All right. All right. We shall talk to you later. And she's happy. Everything is good.